Hi guys, welcome to another episode. In this episode I have a new installation for the 2019 RAV4. Shout out to Car Trim Home. They sent me this. This is a new grill. You don't have to remove your stock grill on the 2019 and 2020 Toyota RAV4. This is gonna go on top of it. And I want to do this because always you can improve the looks of your SUV. In this case, the grill, it's okay, but like I said, it can be improved. Let me show you what I get. This is the Maserati look front grill for your RAV4. Now, I'm not entirely sure about the chrome, but definitely it's gonna give it a better and more aggressive look to the truck. Super easy to do the installation on this grill. I know the truck is gonna look more mean on the front. And like I said, you don't have to remove the bumper. It has adhesive all the way across. Make sure the front of the truck is super clean. I already cleaned it. I use alcohol. Make sure this part is gonna stick very well. There you have the front of the truck. It's okay, but let's see how it looks with the new grill. My model is the LE. I don't have a camera, but you're gonna have the hole for the camera. My case is the LE model. I don't have to do anything. It doesn't have cameras on the front, but if you have cameras, still is gonna fit. No modifications to the stock grill. You don't have to remove it, and that's how it's gonna look. If you look on the back, it has foam all the way around. It's not gonna scratch your paint. And if you have this, it's gonna look way different than the other RAV4s. So they're gonna be asking, what kind of grill is that? There you have it. Easy installation. You don't have to remove the front grill. You just put it on top and it looks a lot better. I really do like it. And if you need to remove it, it's really easy. You can remove it, put heat, use a heat gun so you can get the adhesive off, and it's gonna be easy to remove. Have it, guys. This is the new grill. Shout out to Car Trim Home. Link is gonna be in the description for this one, and I hope you like it. If you have any questions, guys, please comment down below. I'm gonna be happy to help. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.